Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix no photo mode on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will open a menu where you need to select Settings. After that, scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Tap on it and you will be taken to a new page. Here, scroll down again and tap on Account and Profile. Next, choose Editing Profile, then scroll down and select Other. Finally, tap on Need More Help. Now, you will need to write a message to TikTok support. Type the following. I am currently missing the TikTok photo mode option on my account. I need this to be fixed. After you write the message, tap Submit. Once you've submitted the report, TikTok support will review your request. Wait for about 24 to 48 hours for them to get back to you. When they respond, the issue should be resolved. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help as much as I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.